Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Facebook account and you see the message, Facebook will request and receive your mobile number from your mobile network if you allow it or have previously allowed it. So guys, the basic purpose of this message is that now Facebook can request and receive your mobile number from your mobile network. And if you allow Facebook, then it will be able to request and receive your mobile number from your mobile network for some unknown reason. And if you tap on don't share, then Facebook will not be able to request and receive your mobile number from your mobile network without your permission. And the reason for receiving and requesting the phone number or mobile number from your mobile network provider is unknown. So that's just a permission that Facebook is asking you to request and receive your mobile number from your mobile network for unknown reason which we don't know. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.